Sir, is there any difference in the sprayer machine for smaller spaces like homes or office cabins?
Yeah, as I was saying about indoor disinfection, so this requirement is very specific. So these the smaller spaces, you have too many walls. The enclosures are comparatively smaller in size, so you need machines, especially smaller spaces fitted with a lot of electronics, furniture, upholstery, and various finishes. So you need machines which do have very smaller discharge, very fine particles. So if we are using fogger machines for such small spaces, so a typical fogger machine has about 8 feet to 25 feet through.
Okay.
So if your room size is 12 feet, 15 feet, so it's just hitting in the air onto the walls or onto the things where you have chances of corrosion or staining because of the fogging done into the smaller spaces. So spraying is the right method for the smaller contained or spaces with the partitions. So I have seen a lot of machines have become very popular now in the time of pandemic, and most of these are imported machines. But actually, they are not the sanitization machines. They are modified steamers, or they are modified nebulizers, or in many cases I have seen the normal spray painting guns
Okay.
which are modified to do the sanitization work. So anything which is basically throwing the liquid like a spray cannot be a disinfection machine.
That is not a right way.
That is not the right machine, that is not the right way of doing the disinfection. So especially these machines which are called atomizer, or they are called nano sprayer or nano atomizer, which do have a very small transparent bottle onto a white gun and which throws a lot of steam. So issue is, either you are addressing the air disinfection or you are addressing the surface disinfection. So in case of air disinfection, the most appropriate technology is UV.
Okay.
Or at the max, if you have open space, you can go for fogging. But these surface disinfection, you need to have a sprayer which is targeting the surface directly. So you have to have the active spraying onto the surface. You should be able to see where your target is and you spray it accordingly. And if you're throwing just in the air, or like these steam machines, the nano guns or the nebulizers, they are just throwing steam into the air. It might be filling the room with a lot of moisture, a lot of humidity, but it is not guaranteeing your 100% surface coverage, or it is not guaranteeing you effective surface coverage. So effective surface coverage is very, very important in case of disinfection in terms of indoor spaces when we are talking.